I've always been interested in cars. It's always just been like my thing.
I always wanted to just like fix dents and paint cars, and I thought it was super cool. And since I was young, this is what I like to do.
Hi, I'm Addie Zick.
I'm Imani Saling.
I'm a collision repair major at Penn College. I'm from Norristown, PA.
I'm from Pittsburgh, PA, and I go to Penn College for collision repair.
This car is a Cadillac SRX 2016. It got a deer hit, front left fender.
Just all messed up, really dented in.
Since it's an actual customer's vehicle, it's pretty exciting because you get to take all of the things that you've learned throughout the semesters and actually put it into a real car. Replace the entire fender and fix some damage done to the brackets underneath. Paint the fender, blend the paint into the door, replace the headlights.
Use the knowledge that you know and how to take things off and how to bag and tag and replace stuff.
Genuinely, the most challenging part was trying to get some of the parts off of the door so we could actually paint the door, because with how these high-end vehicles are set up, there's a lot of hidden things.
Just finding those like clips and hinges, they were like pretty much hidden, and so you couldn't really find them, so we had to really like dig in like specific places to actually get to them.
My favorite part was painting, but that's just kind of my thing. You've got your base coat, which is your color, like your base level color, which would be the red for this vehicle. And then you have a mid coat, which is kind of like your base coat, except it's more translucent, and it adds like a layered effect to it. And then you have your clear coat, which is essentially sunblocked for the car.
I like painting, but I would rather do like actually taking parts off and putting them back on.
Getting everything on was pretty easy. Realigning some of the panels was a different story, but we figured it out, made the adjustments, and the panel gaps look fine now.
It was just great to just know that everything was finally finished and we're good. I feel like it definitely was a great experience, especially for my first year coming in. I had to jump on the opportunity.
It was really fun being able to do it and being trusted enough to do it.